we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. Everything is $1.25. I think I have a couple things that are $1.50, but we're back with a normal kind of Dollar Tree haul. I got a lot. I have like 3 bags. These are from multiple days, obviously. And if you see this burrito in the next video, it's just because I'm snowed in, so I'm getting all my filming done. But anyway, Dollar Tree haul, let's get into it. So first thing I got, because it fell out of the packaging, is the Beauty Intuitions lip balm, and it's the coconut lime. Fell out of the packaging, but got that. I'm a fan. I know some people have mixed reviews on it. I like it. Then I got the 3-pack of mini composition notebooks, and you get purple, black, and I think green in here. But yeah, super fun. Then, kind of random, but I got these Guru Nanda Super Soft Basics Slim Picks for your teeth. Obviously your teeth. And I like these. I really like these for travel too, actually. So, just got those. Then, I'm so glad to see these back because I love these. The Modest Disposable Face Towels. You get 30 in here. These are great. So, I'm so glad I found these again. Remember when they had like the square ones though? Hopefully they bring those back, but I like these. And then kind of another restock going in a gift bag. But we got the bow and then the diamond little lip glosses from the Valentine's Day collection. I can't believe it's almost February. Gross. Then we have the Marie Claire bronzing stick. I love this thing, so when I see it, I snag it. Then I got the loose baking powder in the Ubi Cool Pink. I love this stuff once again. See, random collections come back at random times, so I snag it. Then also got the matte primer from that collection. Then I got the Global Beauty Care Rice Water Milky Toner. I like this. And again, didn't see it, and now it's all of a sudden making a comeback. So, got that. Then I got the mini LED makeup mirrors. These are great. So, got the purple. Also, I have my bag next to me, so I'm just reaching in. Then, in the rare finding, I found the purple glitter hand sanitizer case. I love this color. And like I said, it fits the Walmart one, so. Then we have the green tea setting spray. Then we have the River and Row honey butter body cream. I love this stuff. Again, making a comeback. Then I got the little hotel keychains that are sorted. You get these colors. I like DIYing with these. Then I got the original lip, because like I said, this is the new packaging. It's like slanted. I like it, but I like the original better, so I snagged it. Then, what does this have? These are the Must Have Beauty little makeup sponges. I love these. So we got the orange. Then, can't feel in here. Then we got the River and Row Honey Drip Body Milk. So we have the body milk, butter, and the, I don't know what I'm saying. So we got that. Then we got the glass nail file, which I love the glass nail files. They are fantastic. So snag that and dropped it. Then this is new by the ProFoot. These are Pinky Toe Bunion Corrector, Instant Bunion Relief. Gel cushions tender pinky toe bunions. Interesting. I don't know about anyone else with my toes rubbing shoes. So I figured, you know what? We're going to try this. Why not? So, got that. If you guys have tried that, please let me know also. Then we got the LA Colors Bronzer Sculpting Duo. We got Lit Within, because this one I feel like is actually doable and not too dark or too light. And then I got the pink. beauty blenders. Then finally found the strawberry shortcake little lip balms. So this is strawberry shortcake, yeah, fresh strawberry and lemon pie. So I was stoked to find this. Then I got this little jot organizer. I'm excited for this because one, it's like holographic and it's so cute, and I feel like my makeup palettes could fit in here, and then like brushes and lipsticks or whatever. So I'm excited for that. So we got that. Then my bag is literally falling. So I overstuffed it, what can I say? Then we have the Orange Zest pH Balm. I love this stuff too. Then we have the other Glass Nail Fire with the case. That one. Then this is new. We have this little floral lip gloss and coconut. I'm definitely going to get the other one. I don't know why I didn't, but we got the coconut. Then we got this shower cap. So protect blowouts and prevent frizz, elastic band, fun fashion forward, keep hair dry, oversized shower cap, repels moisture and steam on all hair types and lengths. So, got that. Then I did pick up the jewelry little cases because I'm doing a DIY with the Walmart patches, like the letter patches. I'm going to put this on here. I'll actually do one right now and then I'll show you guys in the next clip. But on to the next bag. Okay, so finally I got my hands on the Brazilian Mist Power Stick 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I'm so excited to try this. So got that. Then we got the River and Row body scrub. I knew there was something else in the collection. So we got the body scrub. Then I got the hotel keychains in the all black. And then like the pastel colors. They're great for DIYs. Then finally, I am so excited to find these. They are the recordable greetings. So this one's like mixtape and this one's like love songs. So I got these. These are $1.50, but they're worth it. I don't care. So I got those. Same with the jewelry cases. They're $1.50. And I'm going to do the DIY and show at the end of this video, I promise. Then I just got these erasers because these were new. And the gummy bear is what got me. Truly. Then another restock. Whenever I see this, I will snag it. If you guys want a video like on just my like Dollar Tree like restocks or like rebuys or whatever, let me know. Because I have a lot of them. That's one of them. And then this is another one. Look at this. The Chapstick Superfruit Collection. Dragon fruit, blueberry, and honey. For $1.25. Yes, every time I will snag this. Then we got the Skintimate reusable makeup remover round. You get 3 in here. I really like these, so I picked up these for my beach bag in blue and beach, you know. And then we got the Goody little hair ties. So got those. Then finally we have the e.l.f. dupes again. So this is the Glow Up Lip Oil with watermelon extract. Moisturizes lips. Then we have the Dewy Finish Primer, which I loved. So I'm so excited this is back. Last bag. So we got the Beauty Impressions 2-in-1 Kissy Lip Mask and Scrub. This one's in the collagen. These are good for travel too. Oh, this is my little jewelry box I just DIY'd. These are 98-cent patches from Walmart, and this is the $1.50 jewelry box from Dollar Tree. Nothing crazy, but still. And then this is the inside, in case you guys haven't seen it. But, yeah, this is the inside. Sorry, I don't know why I did that so fast. And then this is just my little DIY. Simple, super simple, and so cute. So, did that. Then we got the Blush Rose Vaseline dupe lips. So we got these. And then, of course, they had my ultimate favorite, the creamy caramel. These are amazing, so got that. Then we got the Freeman eye cream. I do like this stuff. So I was like, there was only one left. So I was like, well, it's meant to be. So I got the little Freeman eye cream. Then we got the Lip Mercier lip tint. Again, I'm going to take this lip stain, not tint. But just this packaging is so cute though. But yeah, it's the Stunning Satin Lips tint, not. But anyway, we got her back. Then this is new. This is the Copper Care compression socks. I used to wear compression socks, but they were so uncomfortable, so I did stop wearing them because they went up like your whole leg. But the fact that these are like this compression sock, I'm kind of excited, and I'm actually gonna open these. So we're gonna see what they actually look like and stuff, in case anyone was interested in buying them. But let's see. Okay, so they just look like this. And then let's read. Anti-odor, graduated compression increases circulation. Gentle, effective compression helps support the feet, aids in boosting athletic performance and recovery, increases joint and muscle mobility, improves muscle and joint recovery, and improves blood circulation. Copper Care should provide compression, but should not be too tight that it restricts circulation. Okay then, and there's no directions in here, so you just put them on and we'll see. But I will definitely try these and I will let you guys know if you're interested in whatever. Anyway, then we got the 2-in-1 Beauty Impressions Aloe Vera. This is going in my beach bag. Then we got the Crystal Lip Gloss. We have the, which one's this? Honey. And then Clear Vanilla. I want the Passion Fruit. I totally forgot to get it. But I'm going to get it when I'm able to go out after this snow blizzard. Then the last thing is the All Black Matte Make It Happen notebook. I love these. These are great. And yeah, so that completes my Dollar Tree, like, normal price haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I've definitely found some goodies, so I'm stoked. But definitely don't forget to comment what you guys are not for, I should be not for, and definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.